Oh, sorry for the sun. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. So you all do want me to talk you through this? Okay, cool. No problem. This is 1 by 2. So all I did was I did do the, I know I usually get a better angle. I turned my camera off. Yeah, Naya says double click the screen. I did the frame just a ½ inch in or 2 squares in. Yeah, this is 1 by 2, 1 inch by 2 inches, and that's coming right from the directions. And it does say divide the box into 4 segments, 1/4 inch each. Remember, when it's talk about doing the title box and all that, they mean like actual measurements, not the scaled measurements. And then use the Ames lettering to put your first initial and last name on the top space. Oh. I am recording this, Jalen, in case you're having issues. Oh, you're having issues too, Marie? Let me see. I am recording in case you want to come back. I'll talk out what's going on. I'm not going to do my Ames lettering in the corner. If you want to do that, go ahead. But that's something I know that you all can do on your own. So I'm going to go on to the using the measurements to draw. Okay. All right. So first of all, our wall here. Well, actually, let me find my center point. I think I pretty much know where it is at this point of using the same graph paper, but we'll go through it. I'm going to use that as my center point. Okay. Right. I'm going to use this as my reference point of oh yeah, that's it. Yep, Jalen. Changing that gallery view as opposed to the speaker view. Yep. I think I had this total length is, and I should have measured it for you all, although you can kind of add. I did not. I'm sorry, I didn't put that measurement there. Oh no, I did. 34 feet. There it is. 34 feet. I do have that measurement. Where's my 1/4 side? You all can probably move a little bit faster than me because I'm navigating around screens and stuff. It's pretty long. Oh, because that's why was it 34 feet? I think that's why I didn't really do the interior walls, 34 feet. I think that's why I didn't really do the outside border, right? Like we talked about yesterday, because it goes past outside border. So I'm just gonna draw it as it is, and then if I need to like end up erasing that outside border, I just will, because I think I'm gonna have to get the to get everything in. So I'm actually gonna go outside the line a bit, and I'm just gonna go like all the way across, so I have room. Are you catching what I'm saying? Probably don't want to do that border. I forgot based on our looking at this yesterday. I'm gonna just go ahead and erase it right now. I'm gonna leave that title box, but I'm erase this border because it's gonna take us a bigger space. Thumbs up if you got what I'm saying. Okay, cool. Thank you for you all's patience. Remember, these directions are given based on using just regular like vellum drafting paper as opposed to the graph paper that we're using. I'm just double checking my line. Okay. All right, so that was 34 for the interior wall there. And then this right here was 14 and a half feet. Let me just double check. The interior wall was 14 and a half feet. Yeah, 14 and a half feet. So I'm going to draw that. You all can't see my paper. I know. I'm going to get that. Okay. And then still can't see. Sorry. Yeah, you all just let me know because sometimes I'm not looking up and realizing my angle. And I just can, some days my angle is great and we're good. Days like this, I just cannot get it right. That's a little better. Remember, we're just talking about our interior walls at this point. Okay. All right, let's see. What should we do next? Let's do right here, this interior wall, which is, why do I keep on losing my spot on this ruler, y'all? About 10 and a half. So I'm going to measure from here. About 10 and a half. I'm going to make a mark. Oh, well, that wouldn't be it because that is on the, well, we know that's a little bit off. I'm going to go ahead and draw a straight line, but I know I'm going to have to do some erasing. But that's basically, ooh, that's not good. We can do better than that. Because what I should be doing is measuring on the other side. That's what I should be doing. and then connecting my lines. Okay. And then we have 5 feet on both, 5 feet on this side, 5 feet on this side, 4.5 feet where you have this work area or den or playroom. So I'm going to measure 5, 5, 4.5. So 5 there. I'm just actually going to use my squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 here. This should be about 4.5. I think it is going to probably end up being about 4 based on our measurement. Well, no, because I forgot that we do kind of have a 1/2 inch here. So I'm actually, because it's like our half. So I'm going to go ahead and allow that flexibility here. There, and then this is 1.5 feet here. So I'm going to go ahead and do my 1.5 feet. Uh-oh, we lost somebody. One and a half feet there. One and a half feet there. And I'm going to draw my line. Okay. So we got that. I don't really like this line. Okay, good. Brianna got, uh-oh. There we go. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and finish this out in terms of our window. That window is in that same 4.5 feet. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and extend my line from what I drew and make some markings. And so I know where the window goes. I'm not going to draw the window in yet because we don't have the exterior walls in. Cool? Okay. All right, let's go ahead and look at this area here. So the rest of this we have here, our entrance is 4. I'm sorry. Our entrance right here is, we know that's 4 feet. However, let's measure. 7, 8, 8.5 on one side, and I think it's even, but we'll measure just in case. Nope, not even at all. So 8.5. So let me measure that 8.5 from the end. Oh, wait. We better add our exterior wall or else we're going to be off, right? I already said that it's a 1/2 inch wall. So let me add my exterior wall from here. My 1/2 inch. On both sides. Ugh, sorry. What's it called? It keeps my tripod keeps getting in the way. I'm gonna go ahead and shade that in. It's actually a little bit more than a 1/2 inch. He enjoys the satisfaction of the shading part. Okay. Now, let me do just another measure because I already forgot what I measured. Wait a minute. We probably also need to do, no, we're good because it's 6 inches. Okay. So from the exterior wall, or interior wall, excuse me. Well, it is an exterior wall on this end. You got what I'm saying when I say interior / exterior? I think you guys are following me. So once again, it is 8.5. So I already have my 1/2 here. And I'm going to count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll make a little notch there. And then it's 4 feet for that entrance. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to make a little notch there. And then we know the other part is the rest of it, right? So in terms of that entrance is going to come from the interior. Wait, hold on. Yeah. From the interior walls, if we measure it, it comes out from just the interior wall. Oh, what time is it? Okay. Comes out about 3/4 of a foot. So this should not be on one of the graph squares. It's a truly a 3/4 of an inch. Okay. So let me erase this line. There. All right, moving along. Actually, I'm going to pause there in case anyone is trying to catch up. All right. If you are, just to check in, if you are beyond where I am, give me a thumbs up. If you're past where I am because you're working on your own. Okay. Okay, a couple people. Okay. All right. Just trying to get a good reference point for time and things. Okay. All right. Remember, you can feel free to continue working yourself around based on the measurements. Remember, this is on Google Classroom for you all. Is there anything, and like sometimes like right here, I didn't measure, but I gave you this measurement and you already have this measurement. So you should be able to use subtraction to figure out what these interior walls look like. Does that make sense? Right? Okay. All right. Otherwise, you all are free to go. Everybody was here. I don't need to do an exit slip. Thank you for your patience. You all are doing a wonderful job. Yeah, have a good rest of your day. See you tomorrow. Happy Tuesday.